Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. We will need to know how to use this skill when we are multiplying, adding, subtracting, and dividing with fractions. Okay, so a mixed number is a type of fraction that has a whole number and a fraction, okay? It's a mixed number, right? Because we have two different pieces here, a mix of pieces, a whole number and a fraction. So to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction, we're going to use MAD, M-A-D, okay? Our M is going to stand for multiply, okay? So we're going to multiply our 5 times our 3. We're going to multiply our whole number times our denominator, okay? The A is going to stand for add, okay? Because we are going to add then, after we multiply, we're going to add our numerator to the product. And then our D stands for denominator stays the same. Because in the end, we're going to keep this 3 value. We're going to keep this value of our denominator. Okay, so I'm doing to start 3 times 5, which is going to give me 15. Then I'm going to add this 2, which is going to give me 17. And the D reminds me that my denominator stays the same. So when I convert this fully over to an improper fraction, my numerator is going to be this 17, and my denominator is going to stay at 3. Okay, so 5 2/3 is equal to, in a different form, 17 over 3. Okay, so I do want to do one more example with us. Let's say your mixed number was, let's say 2 and 4 over 5. Okay, and again, we're going to use MAD here, multiply, add, denominator stays the same. So multiply, add. So first I'm multiplying 2 times 5 is going to give me 10. Then I'm adding my numerator, plus 4 is going to give me 14. Okay, 14 is my new numerator, and my denominator stays the same. Okay, so again here we're going from a mixed number to an improper fraction. MAD begins with M, just like mixed number begins with M. Okay, so you can use that to help you remember. For mixed numbers, to make them improper fractions, you want to use MAD. Okay, and that is all I got for you today. Thanks for tuning in.